Hello everyone, welcome back to our math channel, Math Bridges Fun with Math. In this video, we are going to learn how to multiply a two-digit number by a two-digit number using umbrella method. It's a Vedic math trick. I have named it as umbrella method. Let's see why we have given it to be as an umbrella method. The very important thing to remember while doing this two-digit multiplication is when we are getting a single digit multiplication, for example 2 into 3 as 6, we have to write it as 06, which is correct. We should not write it as 6. If we take it as only 6, our calculation goes wrong. You can see 3 3s are, it is 9. Both are correct, but we have to write it as 09 instead of 9. If you are taking it to be as a 9, the product will be wrong. 6 4s is 24. It's a two-digit number, so we won't face any problem while writing this one. Similarly, if you are considering 3 9s are 27, two-digit number 27, so we won't face any problem. The only thing which you have to remember is when we are getting a single digit number, write it as 06, 04, 05 in that manner. Let's check with one example. The normal traditional method or the conventional method we'll be using when we are multiplying a two-digit number. For example, 37 into 46 if we consider. 6 7s are 42. 4 carry over. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 4 22. Plus we will leave the first digit in the ones place over here. Now 4 7s are 28. 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14. Now we will add these numbers and the final product is 1702. This is the normal way how we do the same problem. Now let's check how we will do using Vedic math. 37 into 46. First step, we have to multiply the first digit of this number with the first digit of the second number. Means 3 is the first digit of 37 and 4 is the first digit of 46. So 3 4s are, it is 12. Write it over here. Second step, second digit of the first number into second digit of the second number means 7 into 6. 7 6 are 42. Just write it besides 12. Now, next step, you can see here I have taken the extremes 3 and 6. The last numbers whatever are there are known as extremes. So 3 6 it is 18. Now the inside numbers means, so 7 into 4 it is 28. Now add these two numbers, 18 plus 28 is 46. Add this 46 to the above answer what you got, 1242, in such a manner that you should leave the ones place. Always leave the ones place and write the sum whatever you are getting here. So add it. 2, 6 plus 4 is 10, 1 carry over, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7 and 1. 1702 is your product. See, I am using this symbol as umbrella. That's why I am calling it to be as an umbrella method. Let's check with one more example. You will understand better. 32 into 26. So the first step is first digit of first number into first digit of the second number. So 3 into 2. Take it as 6. As I discussed, we have to take 6 as a single digit number. So write it as 06. Now, next the second digit of the first number into second digit of the second number. Second number in both the digits. So 2 6 it is 12. Next what you do, you take the extremes. 3 6 are 18. 2 2s are 4. So now add 18 and 4, it is 22. We will add this 22 to this answer what we got. In such a manner we will add, you should leave the ones place here. So add it. So 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 6 plus 2 is 8. So our product is 832. That's it. See, this method, it makes you to do the multiplication in a very easy way and you will not get confused with the carryover also. Now let's see one more example. 22 into 23. First step, first digit of the first number into first digit of the second number. 2 2s are 4. We will write it as 04. Next, second digit into second digit. 2 3s are 6. 6 is a single digit number, so we will write it as, yes, 0 6. Now, the umbrella one, extremes one, the last numbers of both the digits, 2 3s are 6. Inside numbers, 2 2s are 4. Now add these two numbers. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now we will add 10 to the answer which we got it before. In such a manner, leave the ones place always. Add it. 6, 0, 4 plus 1 is 5. As 0 is there, I am not writing here. So the product of 22 and 23 is 506. Once you practice this method, you can write the answer very easily. Now let's check with 62 into 27. First digit into first digit, 12, 6 2s are. Second digit into second digit, 2 7s are 14. Now the umbrella ones, 6 7s are 42, 2 2s are 4. Now we will add this both the numbers. 42 plus 4 is 46. Now add this 46 to 1214 here, leaving ones place. 4, 6 plus 1 7, 4 plus 2 6 and 1 as it is. So the product of 62 and 27 is 1674. Here I'm adding so that you will understand, but slowly you skip this step. Do it mentally. 42 plus 4 is 46. Directly you can write it here. It's 44 into 86 now. The first digit of the first number and the first digit of the second number. 4 8s are 32. Now the second digit, 4 into 6, 24. Now we will go on with the umbrella method. The last two numbers, 4 6 are 24. Inside numbers, 4 8s are 32. Add these two numbers. So 24 plus 32 is 56. Add this 56 to the answer what we got over here, 3224. Leave ones place and write 56. Add it, 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 2 7 and 3. So 3784 is a product. If you observe here, this multiplication makes you to do in a simple way because the carryover, whatever we are taking, you won't get confused. Easily you can add it and you can write the product. Let's check with 75 into 29. 7 into 2 14. Next 5 into 9 45. The umbrella one, 7 9s are 63 and 5 2s are 10. So 63 plus 10 is 73. Here you can observe directly I am writing. I am not mentioning over here in the right hand side. You can do it mentally this one and add it. 5, 7, 7 plus 4 is 11 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So the product of 75 and 29 is 2175. It's very easy. By practice, you can master this and you will get the answers in a very easy way. Now let's give it a try directly without doing all the steps. Directly 3 2s are 6, 0 6 we are taking. Now 3 1s are 3 0 3. Umbrella 1, 3 1s are 3 plus 3 2s are 6. So 6 plus 3 is 9. Directly you can add 3, 9, 6 and 0 as it is. So 693 is the product of 33 and 21. Now 34 into 47. First digit into first digit. 3 4s are 12. Second digit 4 7s are 28. Now umbrella 1. 3 7s are 21 plus 4 4s are 16. You can see. So the sum is 37. Add it. 8. 7 plus 2 9. 3 plus 2 5 and 1. So the product of 34 and 47 is 1598. Now you can try on your own. 23 into 55. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. The umbrella 1. 2 5s are 10 plus 3 5s are 15. 25 is the sum. Leaving the ones place. Add it. Hope you all are going with me. 5, 6, 2 and 1. 1265 is the product. Now 97 into 32. First number into first. 9 3s are 27. 7 2s are 14. So umbrella 1 now. 9 2s are 18 plus 7 3s are 21. It is 39. Add it. 4, 10. This is 11 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3104 is the product of 97 and 32. The more you practice, you can perfect the multiplication sums. Here I have given some practice problems for you all. You can note down this. 47 into 22, 38 into 92, 55 into 63 and 82 into 74. Note down in your book and follow the same method and try to get the product. I have given the solution for this multiplication sums. You can check your answers. Only once you complete it, only you have to check the answers. Before that, please do not check out with the answers, and please check how well and how fast you are able to find the product. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you everyone.